Today we're going to be doing last to leave the yacht!
You guys are going to be hanging off the side of the boat until one of you falls. The last one wins.
I don't know, guys. I'm just flipping off.
I don't know how long I can hold on for.
Shalom, guys. I hope your day's been good, but better watching this video. That right there, that's a yacht. There's a seal over there.
Oh my god, you're friends with a seal!
Hello, seal!
Hi, seal!
And today we're gonna be doing last to leave the yacht!
Let's go!
So, has anyone been on a yacht before?
Well, last time I was on a yacht, it broke down. We were stranded on a deserted island for 8 hours. I'm not kidding.
Sounds like a
8
YouTube
hours.
video.
I've been on a yacht for a school field trip.
Really?
Yeah.
My family in Hawaii has one.
What? Wait a minute. What? We've never been on this, Emily. You've been holding out.
I've been on a boat, not a yacht.
Yeah, me
I've
too.
never been on a yacht either.
Last time I was on a yacht was in my dreams, and there was a bunch of really hot moms there, and they were fanning me, and they were feeding me grapes, and they were rubbing my feet, and I'm gonna drive this boat today, because I'm the captain of this ship, so let's go, come on.
Frank, hold up, hold up.
You're actually
Hold
not
up.
allowed to come on the boat.
Oh, that's
What?
Dogs aren't allowed.
Who said? I'm not a dog.
Your mom did.
There's another yacht with lots of hot somewhere else. So you should
Well,
go.
screw you guys, I'm going on that yacht over there.
Holy crap, that's a huge yacht!
That's a yacht full of hot moms, I'm going. Bye, let's go. Let's get on the yacht.
On the yacht, let's go! Emily, come on. It's
I'm scared of the ocean, okay?
Get on the yacht! Put your out, Frank! Go!
What kind of dog is that?
Frank, that's not a dog, that's a seal.
I want to be a seal.
You look like a seal.
You think?
Yeah, you got a lot more wrinkles.
This is the back of the boat! Very cute. We
Probably jump off from here.
Yeah, maybe some of you guys are gonna be jumping off of the boat. But now, what else do we got?
We have a nice living room that's really warm and cozy down here.
There's a living room on the boat!
There's a flat screen TV.
Oh my god, we can watch YouTube!
A stove. There's also a complimentary human.
Wow, that's nice. It's a house on a boat!
Literally, it's so cool.
Oh god! Get your sea legs on! Get your sea legs! Oh god, he's falling! Oh!
No.
Oh my god! Humans! Hi! Let's go!
Oh, they went like this.
There's a nice little area to sunbathe, which I think is so cute.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna be hanging out all day. And this is my steering wheel because I'm the captain of the boat, obviously.
No, he's the captain.
Oh, I'm the captain now.
Oh no, I'm pretty sure, I'm the captain.
The captain now? There you go.
Oh my god, Piper! Oh god, everyone off the ship, jump!
I actually turn the boat like this?
Yeah, that's the steering wheel. That's what it is.
Scary.
Yeah, it's scary because you're the one doing this, so maybe you should just sit down.
In the seat?
No!
This boat has a full functioning shower! Alright, so every boat has a name. Our objective is to try to find what this boat's name is.
Susan?
I was gonna say Susie.
Susie?
Babe Ruth.
Alexa?
Outsider.
What is the name of the boat?
It's Outsiders.
That means you get one pass on this next challenge.
Now we're gonna do a Guess That Boat.
That's right, so Emily, you get 1 free point. So you're already in the lead.
So all of these boats have been used in movies. So once you guess the boat, you get a point. Whoever gets the most points is the captain!
Yay!
Photo number 1!
Go, 3, 2, 1.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Any other guesses?
Forrest Gump.
Any other guesses?
Little Rascals.
The answer is
Pirates of the Caribbean!
Jaws. You're all wrong. All right, are we ready?
Yes!
Wait, hold on.
Wait,
How much?
3,
I don't know, bro.
2, 1. Oh, Lev! Okay,
Do you even know Lev?
what movie is this from?
Willy Wonka, baby.
Oh! 3, 2, 1. Oh, Jensen's got it. Jensen got it. All right, Jensen, congratulations. You got a point.
I can't.
Get away! Get it away!
Oh,
Get away! Get away!
I know it.
3, 2,
Bro.
You need to stop pushing it.
1. Lev! Oh! Oh my god! All right, Lev Cameron. What movie? Piper. -1 point because you guys cheated. I saw her whisper it in your ear. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Ollie, what movie is this from?
Pirates of the Caribbean.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go ahead. The Notebook.
Yes.
Guess I gotta give my hat to Captain Emily.
You
I am captain.
are the captain. The first person to be found in hide and seek on the yacht is eliminated.
Do I get to go drive the boat?
Yeah, you can go drive the boat. All right, hiders, you have 2 minutes to find the best hiding place you can.
My God.
Go, 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 hide! Let's go! Find a spot!
Alright, I think I found a spot. That's so right in here.
Hide.
You know, I can like contort somewhere. I'll
Yeah,
figure
exactly.
it
There you go.
out. Yep, I don't think it's possible to fit in there. Probably not. That's okay.
That's a real tight
This is
fit.
so tight. I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to stay in here.
Yeah. Yo, he's going for it.
How am I gonna
I don't think it's gonna work, bro.
Are you good?
So Jensen's finding a good spot here.
How smart.
Eliana's going right there. I'll be able to hear you if you need help.
Hi. Oh my god, I can't even put my foot. Okay.
Emily, wake up. Emily! Good morning, sunshine.
Good morning.
All right, look, let's go find all the contestants.
We're checking there first. Nope.
Top of the boat is clear.
Top of the boat is clear.
Bro, I'm like before. I feel like I'm in a casket. In a ball. Oh, dude, I think I can hear you.
Definitely know that there's some people in the actual like house compartment. So we'll check out here.
Nobody's out here.
Are you kidding?
I'm serious.
Everyone chose to go inside? Like,
Yeah,
seriously, don't
there's
understand.
tons of other great hiding places, but everyone chose inside.
I know everyone's in here. All right, cabinets.
Cabinets are empty.
Steam. Where can we be down here? Oh no!
Oh God!
Is it me?
You are sadly eliminated, but that means you get to help with the next challenges.
You're not gonna find them, so then you're gonna. Hey!
Lab!
Dang it, they found me.
Save him! Lab! Freedom!
Yo, ow, 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 ow.
Uh-oh.
Damn, how did you?
Piper, I know you're in here. I see your camera recording you in the shower.
Alright, Piper has been found. Oh no!
Ow! Ow! That entire thing came.
Oh my
Jensen!
Holy-
What's up, guys? You win! Let's go! Eliana!
We love you.
She's been eliminated. Oh no! Now is the next challenge.
We're going to do a photo challenge, Jordan Matter style. Okay, so we're all going to take a photo on this yacht, and whoever has the best one wins. And whoever has the worst one is eliminated.
Who's judging? Eliana, you're the judge.
Okay,
let's go. Oh my God, Piper! This boat is like our house in a boat.
Let's buy it.
Guys, if we get 100,000 likes, we'll buy that boat. All right, Lev, what's your photo idea?
Alright, Jensen, you're right here. It's gonna be the Jack and Rose in Titanic. So Piper, you're gonna go like this, and I'm gonna
go like this.
Yes.
Imagine if Jensen falls off the boat right now.
I'm hanging off the side of the boat.
Oh, savage.
Yeah.
All right, well, good luck.
Mic check. 1 minute later.
Okay, so we've taken our photos, and now it's time for the judge
To see him.
All right. So, Eliana, since you're the judge, you get to be the captain. At the end of this video, we are kicking all the losers off the boat.
Wait, so do I have to choose just a winner and a loser? Or?
Yes, you get to pick a winner, and then, I mean, you can rate them however you want.
Oh. That's really good.
Sure.
What the
Yeah, that was definitely a super cool photo. Let's go, Jensen. Nice photo.
Piper's obviously my rose, so
Oh, have you ever watched
recreated this photo.
Oh, no, that is really sweet. That's really cute. Okay, I do like that a lot.
Final photo.
Oh, that's so cute. The pink looks really nice with like the background.
You're gonna fall off.
Yeah.
No hands.
Oh, this is so bad. These are my friends. What if I actually go overboard? Oh, I don't want to. You still have to pick. Can you pick another judge, please?
I mean, I can ask the captain, but
Wait, no. 'Cause I
you're the
think I'm gonna
captain.
pick-
You just have to pick the best and the worst photo.
Okay. The best photo is Piper.
The worst photo, the person who's being overboard is.
Oh no, it's Emily.
No!
Your photo doesn't really match up the green. I'm not a big fan of the green.
Are you for
Well-
real?
Well, listen, Piper's eyes were closed, and this girl's are open, and also.
Are you kidding me?
Sadly, Lev and Eliana
I was really
are
torn for the
eliminated.
winner.
We have
You
3
guys are
contestants
not big
left,
fans. I actually went off of.
and this challenge involves spinning the bottle. And yeah, you don't have Lev, I'm sorry.
So now we're gonna play Spin the Bottle.
Okay, we've been on the yacht for a while. We've been enjoying it. Now imagine if you win this challenge, taking this yacht home.
What?
Yeah, so.
Oh wait, no! Can we start over? Please, can we start over?
Oh.
I don't think I can take this home.
So this competition is between Emily, Piper, and Jensen.
So we're gonna spin the bottle, and whoever has to do the consequence, it's going to get worse and worse and worse as we go. And if you deny the consequence, you're out. That's right.
Yacht.
So Piper, you're going first. Spin
Okay, ready?
the bottle. Piper, you will have to hold hands until the end of the challenge with Emily. All right, Jensen, spin the bottle. All right, Jensen, you are going to have to give a very passionate hug until the end of the challenge with. Oh! All right, passionate hug, like I'm talking cheek to cheek. There we go. Oh, friendship. For Emily, spin the bottle.
Oh god. Alright.
Technically, that would be Jensen. So Jensen and Emily, you have to give an Eskimo kiss.
Nose to nose.
Achoo. No,
It's just a challenge.
Okay.
was like-
You have to kiss on the forehead. Jensen!
I'm not allowed to stop hugging him yet.
No, you have to keep hugging.
Is this like actual, like, do you want me to do this?
You can quit if you want, or you kiss Jensen on the forehead.
Only forehead is fine.
See, your boyfriend gives you consent. Yeah, Lev's done it before. It's fine. If you do this, then it goes to the next round. Do it. You just gonna do it. She's like hyping herself up. Just gonna kiss him. Just get on to it.
Let's go!
All right, Jensen, you will have to kiss on the cheek. Hey, on the cheek.
On the cheek! Are we serious right now? We're doing this?
Oh! All right, Emily.
Feels like we're at like a party right now.
Emily,
Oh.
Parties is
we're going
definitely on the
extreme
cheek.
now. You have to kiss on the lip.
Can I like make out with the wall or something?
Nope.
Who said make out?
That's
Piper!
That's Piper.
There's absolutely no way that I'm letting
Emily's like,
Emily's down. No, I'm
Oh, no. You're eliminating yourself.
Emily just said,
No, I was just like, do it. I just did it. No.
Emily,
Oh,
you're eliminated.
Can I stop hugging you?
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
That was intense.
Now we're down to the final 2.
The final 2.
We are down to our last 2 contestants, and this is probably one of the scariest things I've done all day.
You guys are going to be hanging off the side of the boat until one of you falls. The last one wins. We are also going to do things to make it more difficult for you.
Okay.
All right, when you're ready, climb over the edge.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right,
Oh,
do
this
not
is so scary.
let go. Hold on with your life.
Oh god, it's gonna get really bad.
All right.
No.
All right, guys. Piper, what's going on?
I don't know, guys. I'm just slipping off.
Don't fall. That's it.
I have clammy hands. I don't know how long I can hold on for.
You got this. All right, guys.
Okay, honestly, I feel like this is taking too long. I've been here for like 5 seconds. We need to start taking like.
Let's tickle. Okay. All right, Piper. Tickle. All right, yo, and she held it. She held it. Let's go. Good job, Piper. All right, Jensen. No, I'm gonna go. Let it go. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's going, Jensen. We're pulling her up. Pull her up. Oh God. Oh, Piper, you win.
Congratulations, Piper!
Good job, you won.
So much, but now it's time for you guys to go overboard!
That's right, losers are going in the water! All right, Emily, I can feel her nervousness. Like she's just
At least a life jacket, you're not gonna go down that much with that on.
Let's go! Yeah! Woo!
Kinda nice.
Good job, guys! You're up.
Can I like go in?
Yeah, you can hang out. Have fun jumping.
I'm not going in. I'm not going in.
Oh, God! Oh, yeah, you did!